What is good, YouTube? It is your boy Big Drizzlax. Thank you so much for joining me in another episode here. We're just going to do a quick little unboxing. The flip case video is doing extremely well, so if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. Welcome to the channel anyway, if you haven't been here before. It's a channel that basically just talks about everything EDC, from tech pouches to knives to pens, and basically everything that you need to get around on a daily basis. So apart from a white manila envelope, this is kind of how it comes. There was another piece of plastic protecting this plastic, but I just peeled that off. And then on the back, what does it say? It says smooth leather protection for your Apple AirPods, soft leather, tough polymer, and handy lanyard loop. Scan to learn more. So I guess you got to scan this little Bellroy patch, which I'm not going to do. Usually it says something like 3-year warranty and all that kind of stuff, which I think might be on the inside anyway. So I guess you just pop it open like that, like so, and that's the packaging done. So I guess we could just put that to the side. Okay, so after you remove the packaging, this is what you're greeted with. It looks exactly like this. Okay, so on the inside we get this piece of paper that says we're here for day 1000, which, what does that mean? We're here for day 1000. I guess it's supposed to last 3 years. Designed to be with you for the road ahead. To register for early access to product releases, exclusive deals, and surprise treats, head to bellroy.com/day-1. Pretty standard kind of for everything Bellroy. Hey, we're Bellroy and we're here to improve the way you carry your things, so you feel free to roam as far and wide as the day takes you. And then on the back, certified B Corporation, made to last, backed by a 3-year warranty. If anything isn't as it should be, just email us at support@bellroy.com. And this is the case. It is leather. It feels really good. This top bit is actually attached, which is pretty cool. I know that on the Nomad cases, this leather bit you have to stick to the lid, but this is actually attached at the back there. Then you have this kind of like a grey border that goes around it as well. Let's chuck the AirPods Pro in. I guess they're just gonna snap in like that. I do have to say, wow, this looks pretty amazing. You still have that button right there. This back bit isn't exposed, which in a lot of the AirPod cases, it is exposed. So that's the first look at the Bellroy AirPods case. It just does what it's supposed to do, and it looks really, really nice. The back of it kind of could look a little bit better, I think. Isn't as aesthetically pleasing, whatever, but I think that the front of it is fantastic. The leather isn't too thick, and I just kind of feel like I like black AirPods. So what do you guys think about this little pod jacket? Do you think that it matches the Bellroy phone case? I think that it does. It adds a touch of class. Bellroy always does it right. One of my favorite companies. Also, they design a lot of this stuff in Melbourne where I live. So you got to show your home team a little bit of love. And I'm going to leave it there. And if you guys like this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing. And it's been your boy Big Drizzlax. Arrivederci.